Tokdance TDS5 Mini Fashion Wireless Microphone. Hello everyone! Today I'll introduce our latest product, the TDS5 Super Mini Wireless Clip-On Microphone. It comes with a sleek charging case. Let's take a look at the accessories, the charging cable and the user manual. Now let's focus on the transmitter and receiver. When you open the cover, both the transmitter and receiver will activate automatically. The receiver does not have a built-in battery, so it needs to draw power from a mobile phone. Simply plug it into your phone, and the two devices will pair automatically. If the indicator lattice stays solid, it means the pairing is successful. If it blinks, the pairing has failed. Next, let's demonstrate the recording function. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the sound wave changes. The standard feature of this microphone is its noise reduction capability. Unlike other compact and cost-effective microphones, double-click the battery, and the green light indicates that the noise reduction mode is activated. Let's test it. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. When your phone is low on battery, you can use the connecting cable for direct charging. This part connects to the charging cable and charger, allowing you to charge while live streaming. There's also a monitoring feature that doubles as a listening earphone. This is the monitoring port, as well as the charging port. Simply plug in your monitoring earphones to complete the monitoring setup. Let's use a monitoring earphone. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. That concludes presentation of the TDS5 wireless microphone. Thank you for watching.
Every mic holds a word. Speak yours. Tokdance.